So welcome to my incredibly messy garage. This is going to be repairing the seam of a Sunsetter retractable awning. You can see just a sample of the issue where it has come undone. The cement has come undone here, and that's going to be the focus of what we're going to try to do. First step is to clean the surfaces you're going to be gluing with rubbing alcohol. And then I will brush on the HH-66 cement, and then I'll clamp it. So I've already cleaned it with alcohol. I'll show you next just kind of what it looks like to brush on the cement. It may be hard to tell, but here's what it looks like when the cement is actually on. I'm letting it rest for just about a minute. It dries pretty quickly, but that gives it a chance to cure, and then I'm going to bind it up. I've discovered that Sunsetter is much more interested in selling you a replacement awning fabric than coaching you on how to repair it. But here's a technique that's worked well for me. So I applied the cement to both sides that I'm trying to fasten together. It cures pretty quickly, so you don't have to spend a lot of time letting it dry. It kind of does that on its own. But then I quickly I took popsicle sticks, or tongue depressors, on both sides, and then just use binder clips as a way of holding it all together. Let that sit for a few hours, and the bond is incredibly strong, so I think this is going to be a great long-term fix. Hope this helps in your efforts to repair. Check the links in the video description for where to purchase the supplies.